Some flames burn for a moment, but true love lights a fire inside the soul, a fire that never fades. From the first time I saw your eyes, I felt something I could not hide. Like a flame beneath my skin, a new world was about to begin. You came like the morning sun and showed me where my heart belongs. Every touch, every embrace tells me love has found its place. I don't need diamonds or gold, your heart is the treasure I hold. Every breath, every beat I feel shows me this love is real. Like an ocean burning bright, you are my passion, you are my light. Through every storm, through every rain, your love keeps calling my name. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this powerful love. Every heartbeat, every desire, you are the flame inside my fire. You are the fire in my soul, the love that makes my spirit whole. Burning brighter every day, never letting this feeling fade away. You are the fire in my soul, the only love I wanna know. Through every season, every night, you are my heart's eternal light. Oh baby, this love will burn forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Your hand in mine, your heart with me is the only place I want to be. Your love moves like a river flows, deeper than anyone could know. Every whisper, every kiss shows me what true passion is. I will stand beside your heart, even when the world feels hard. No distance and no time can break the love that we were born to make. You are my dream, my destiny, the missing part that completes me. Every moment I spend with you makes my love grow strong and true. Stay with me, hold me near. I want your love year after year. Through every challenge, through every tide, forever with you by my side. You are the fire in my soul, the love that makes my spirit whole. Burning brighter every day, never letting this feeling fade away. You are the fire in my soul, the only love I wanna know. Through every season, every night, you are my heart's eternal light. Listen me now, listen me now. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels this true. But I found my paradise the moment I looked into your eyes. Your love is more than a feeling, it's the reason my heart keeps healing. Every scar and every pain disappears when you call my name. Like a flame that lights the dark, you have awakened my heart. And no matter where life may go, you are the love my soul will know. Feel the rhythm, feel the fire, love taking me higher and higher. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. fires disappear. But the fire of true love lives forever, and my heart will always burn for you. Some trees stand tall because their roots run deep, and some love lasts forever because it is planted inside the heart. When you came into my life, you brought peace into my nights. Like a seed beneath the ground, a love so strong was growing all around. Through the seasons, through the rain, your love stayed the same. Like a tree in fertile soil, growing stronger through the years of toil. Every smile and every touch shows me love can mean so much. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. Like the roots beneath the earth, you remind me of my word. Steady, faithful, always true. My heart found home with you. Oh, Jah, we give thanks above for this endless love. Deep like roots, strong like trees, your love brings peace to me. You are forever my roots, the love that keeps me standing strong. Through every storm and every season, you are where my heart belongs. You are forever my roots, the foundation of my soul. Deep inside my heart forever, your love makes me whole. Oh baby, our love keeps growing forever. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Like a garden after rain, your love brings beauty once again. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me grounded now. When the winds begin to blow, your love is the place I know. Like a tree that will not fall, your love protects me through it all. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. Every day I come to see your love is everything to me. You stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every time, by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always be the roots of me. You are forever my roots of love that keeps my heart alive. Through every season, every moment, you are the reason I survive. You are forever my roots, a love that time can never move. Deep inside my soul, forever I will always choose you. Forever, forever, our love will grow like roots beneath the earth. Yeah. Some flowers fade, some seasons change, but love planted deep will always remain, and you will always be my roots. Ooh. Listen me now. Some sounds are heard, but some feelings are felt. And when my heart finds yours, we are tuned to the sweetest frequency. Yeah. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like a melody, a perfect rhythm meant for me. Like a song beneath the moon, my heart started dancing to your tune. Every word and every smile makes my heart step for a while. Every moment that we share feels like music in the air. Your energy brings me peace, like a gentle island breeze. When I'm close to you, I know my heart has found a perfect flow. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every heartbeat, every sound shows the connection we have found. You are my sweetest frequency, the perfect rhythm meant for me. Like a radio playing love, a blessing sent from up above. You are my sweetest frequency, the song my heart was waiting to receive. Through every season, every tide, your love stays flowing by my side. Oh baby, I will always tune into you. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees moving in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the kind of peace I never found. Your touch brings my soul alive. With you my heart begins to rise. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love and art is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure I know is the love you always show. Like a rhythm deep and slow, your love is the only song I know. Every beat and every line feels like your heart belongs with mine. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every time, forever with you by my side. heart to heart. Yeah, every sunset, every night, your love keeps shining bright. Every memory we create makes our bond become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may go, your love is the rhythm I know. Like the ocean and the shore, I keep loving you more and more. Every day I come to see you are the perfect harmony. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. One sound, one dream, together flowing like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your sweetest frequency will always be you. You are my sweetest frequency, the only song my heart needs. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. A love that sets my spirit free. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my heart will play your melody, your melody. Some songs fade away, but true love stays on the same beautiful frequency, and my heart will always find yours. Listen, you know, the ocean may become rough, the winds may start to blow, but when true love holds your heart, you always know where to go. Before you came into my life, me was drifting through the night, searching for a place to rest, searching for a love that felt the best. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your arms around my soul, you gave my heart a place to hold. Every worry, every fear disappears when you are near. Every moment that we share shows me how much you care. Like an anchor in the sea, your love keeps holding me through the waves and through the rain. Walking with you by the shore, we don't need anything more. Palm trees moving in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Your smile brings a peaceful light, like a star that shines at night. Your gentle heart, your loving way, makes the darkness fade away. I don't need diamonds or gold. Your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me grounded now. Like a lighthouse in the night, you always guide me to the light. Every storm that comes my way feels smaller when you stay. Hold me close, stay with me. This is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. You are my anchor in the storm, the place where my heart feels warm. When the waves are crashing down, your love keeps me safe and sound. You are my anchor in the storm, the shelter where my soul belongs. Through every season, every tide, I find my peace by your side. Listen and know, some people search the world around for a love they never found. But God blessed me from the start when He brought me to your heart. Every chapter, every day, your love shows me a better way. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Like the roots beneath the ground, your love keeps holding me now. Like the ocean meets the land, I will always hold your hand. Through the laughter and the tears, I will love you through the years. Because one thing I know is true, my safe place will always be you. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No storm, no rain can take away the peace you bring every day. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always be my anchor to me. You are my anchor in the storm, the love that keeps my spirit strong. Through the sunshine and the rain, I choose your heart again and again. You are my anchor in the storm, the place where my heart feels home. Through every season, every year, my love will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my anchor, my peace, my home. Yeah, yeah. The waves may rise, the winds may blow, but true love knows where to stay, and my heart will always find its way to you. listen me now. The ocean has no ending. The waves keep moving forever, and my love for you runs even deeper. Standing by the ocean blue, every wave reminds me of you. A love so strong, a love so true, every heartbeat leads to you. Before you came into my life, you were searching through the night. Then you brought a peaceful light and made my whole world feel right. Every smile and every touch shows me love can mean so much. Every moment that we share shows me true love is always there. Like the ocean deep and wide, your love is flowing by my side. Through every storm and every rain, I will love you just the same. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this unconditional love, deeper than the endless sea. Your love means everything to me. My love for you is deeper than the ocean, stronger than every wave and motion. Through every season, every tide, I will always stand by your side. My love for you is deeper than the ocean, forever flowing with devotion. No matter where this life may go, my heart will always let you know. Baby, this love will last forever. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. I don't love you only on the good days, I love you through the storms and rain. When the skies are dark and gray, my heart will never walk away. No treasure could ever compare to the love and peace we share. No diamond, no gold, no fame could ever replace your name. Like the ocean holds the shore, I will hold you even more. Every promise, every prayer shows my heart will always care. Stay with me, hold me near, I want your love year after year. Through every challenge, through every tide, forever with you by my side. My love for you is deeper than the ocean, stronger than every wave and motion. Through every season, every tide, I will always stand by your side. My love for you is deeper than the ocean, forever flowing with devotion. No matter where this life may go, my heart will always let you know. Listen me know, some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but God blessed me from the start when He connected heart to heart. Every sunset, every sky shows the love inside your eyes. Every memory we create makes our bond become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because the love I have for you will forever remain true. Like the waves that touch the land, I will always hold your hand. Through the laughter and the tears, I will love you through the years. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the brass. Love like this will always last. Deep like water, strong like stone. With your heart I found my home. No storm, no rain could wash away grows every day. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. This ocean of love will always be. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, deeper than the ocean, my love will be, yeah. The ocean may rise, the tides may change, but true love remains the same. In my heart will always belong to you, to you. Listen me now. Sometimes the world feels heavy, sometimes the road feels long, but in the warmth of your arms I find my peace, my safe place. Before you came into my life, me was fighting through the night, searching for a place to rest, searching for a love that felt the best. Then you came so gentle and true, and showed me a love I never knew. With your touch and your caring heart, you gave my soul a brand new start. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Every whisper, every smile makes my heart stay for a while. Like the ocean calm and deep, your love is a promise I will keep. In your arms I finally see the place where I am meant to be. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every heartbeat, every day, your love guides my way. Your touch is my sanctuary, the place where my heart feels free. Like a shelter from the rain, you take away my every pain. Your touch is my sanctuary, the safest place I wanna be. Through every storm and every tide, I find my peace right by your side. Oh baby, your arms are my home. Walking with you by the shore, me don't need anything more. Palm trees moving in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your gentle touch, your loving way brings sunshine into my day. When the world becomes too loud, you make my heart feel safe and proud. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I know is the comfort that your love shows. Like a flower beneath the sun, our beautiful story has begun. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. Hold me closer, stay with me. This is where I want to be. know, some people search the world around for the peace they never found, but God blessed me from the start when He brought me to your heart. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because your love is more than a feeling. It's the reason my soul keeps healing. Every day I come to see you are my sweetest sanctuary. Like the roots beneath the ground, your love keeps holding me now. Like the waves that kiss the shore, I will love you more and more. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No fear, no pain could take away the peace you bring every day. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your loving touch will always be. Your touch is my sanctuary, the greatest blessing I have received. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Your touch is my sanctuary, the place my soul is meant to be. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, your arms are my sanctuary. Some places give you comfort, some moments give you peace, but true love is when someone's touch feels like home. Listen me now, some places are beautiful, some moments are unforgettable, but there is something special about the place where love lives. Before you came into my life, we was walking through the night, searching for a love so pure, searching for something to endure. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your presence and your grace, I found my heart's most precious place. Every step you take feels blessed, every moment brings me rest. Every smile and every touch shows me love can mean so much. Like a garden under the sun, a beautiful journey has begun. In your heart I found the way to a love that will always stay. Oh, Jah, may give thanks above for this This is my paradise, walking with you by the shore. Me don't need anything more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Your presence brings a peaceful light, like the moon that shines at night when the world feels golden far. Your love reminds me who you are. I don't need treasures from afar. You are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew is the beautiful soul in you, like roots beneath the earth so deep. A promise that my heart will keep. Your love is where I wanna stay, forever and every day. Hold my hand, stay with me. This is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Your love is my sacred ground, the most precious place I've ever found, where my heart feels safe and free, where your love surrounds me. Your love is my sacred ground, a blessing that keeps me strong. Through every season, every tide, I will always stand by your side. Listen and know, some people search the whole world through for a love that feels this true. But Jah blessed me from the start when He brought me to your heart. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. Every moment that we share shows me how much you care. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. Like a sanctuary of peace, where all my worries find release. Your heart is where I belong, the place that makes me strong. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the tree. Heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. No storm, no rain could take away the sacred bond we share today. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always be sacred ground to me. Your love is my sacred ground, the greatest treasure I have found. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Your love is my sacred ground, where my soul feels safe and calm. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, your love will remain my sacred ground. Hey, some places are only places, but where true love lives becomes something more. And my heart will always honor the ground where your love grows. Ooh, listen and know, distance may separate two hearts, but true love knows no boundaries. A real flame never stops burning. through every night and every day. I feel your heart from far away. Before you came into my life, I was searching through the night. Then you brought a brighter flame, and nothing has been the same. Every memory that we share reminds me how much you care. Every moment, every kiss shows me a love I cannot miss. Like a candle in the dark, your love keeps shining like a spark. No wind and no storm can take the love that we will always make. Oh, Jah, may give thanks above for this endless love. Through the distance, through the time, your heart stays close to mine. You are my constant flame, the love that always stays the same. Even when you're far away, my heart still calls your name. You are my constant flame, burning brighter every day, through every season, every night. Your love remains my guiding light. Oh baby, this flame will never fade, walking beneath the same moonlight. Even when you're not inside, I know your heart is close to me, like waves connected to the sea. I don't need to hold your hand to know exactly where you stand. Your love is written in my soul, a feeling I will always hold. No distance can break our bond, no time can make this love move on. Like roots beneath the ground, our forever will stay strong. Every sunrise, every night, your love keeps making my world bright. Through every challenge we face, I still feel your warm embrace. Stay with me, hold my heart, nothing can tear us apart. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. You are my constant flame, the love that always stays the same. Even when you're far away, my heart still calls your name. You are my constant flame, burning brighter every day, through every season, every night. Your love remains my guiding light. Listen me now, some fires burn and disappear, but true love grows through every year. The stronger winds begin to blow, the more our love continues to grow. Every promise that we made, every memory we have saved, keeps the fire inside my heart, burning bright though we're apart. Like the stars above the sea, your love keeps shining down on me. No matter where this journey goes, my heart already knows. Ooh, you are my dream, you are my peace, the love that brings my soul release. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the fire, love taking me higher and higher. No rain, no storm could make this love disappear, because forever you are here. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, whether near or far away. My love will never change. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true, forever faithful, forever free. This constant flame will always be my constant flame. You are the love that always stays the same. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. You are forever, forever. This flame will burn eternally. The world may be wide, the road may be long, but true love always finds a way, in my heart will always burn for you. Listen me now. Sometimes a single moment can feel like forever. One look, one smile, and the whole world disappears. When you walk into the room, everything around me moves slow. The noise begins to fade away, and my heart knows where to go. Like the stars stop shining bright, just to focus on your light. Every second feels brand new when I'm standing close to you. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, but your love became the reason everything now feels so right. Every smile and every glance feels like a beautiful romance, like the world is standing still, waiting for this heart to feel. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this powerful love. When you're near, time stands still. My heart knows this is real. My whole world stops when I see you, like time forgets what it should do. Every moment fades away when your eyes meet mine that way. My whole world stops when you're near, and everything becomes so clear. Through every season, every day, my heart will always feel this way. Oh baby, you are my timeless moment. Walking with you by the shore, we don't need anything more. The ocean waves can come and go, but my love for you will grow. Your presence brings a peaceful fire, taking my heart higher and higher. Every breath and every touch shows me love can mean so much. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I know is the love you always show. Like a song beneath the moon, my heart keeps singing your tune. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. My whole world stops when I see you, like time forgets what it should do. Every moment fades away when your eyes meet mine that way. My whole world stops when you're near, and everything becomes so clear. Through every season, every day, my heart will always feel this way. Listen enough. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels this true. But Jah blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may go, your love is the only home I know. Every room becomes brighter, every moment becomes sweeter. When you enter my world, everything feels complete. Like the moon controls the tide, your love moves my heart inside. And no matter where I stand, I still disappears and my whole world stops for you. Listen and know, sometimes love is not something you find, it's something you surrender to. A feeling that takes over your heart and wraps your whole soul. Before you came into my life, you was walking through the night, searching for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning rain, washing away my hidden pain. With your smile and gentle care, I found a love beyond compare. Every moment close to you feels like something fresh and new. Every heartbeat, every breath shows me love has no regret. Like the ocean holds the shore, I keep wanting you more and more. In your arms I finally see the love that sets my spirit free. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every heartbeat, every day, your love carries me away. I'm wrapped up in you, in everything you say and do. Like a melody I can't forget, you are the sweetest feeling yet. I'm wrapped up in you, a love so deep and pure and true. Through every season, every tide, I want you always by my side. Oh baby, my heart belongs to you. Yeah. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the kind of peace I never found. Your gentle touch, your loving way brings sunshine into every day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me safe and sound. Like a flower beneath the sun, our forever has begun. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. So stay beside me, hold me near. I want your love year after year. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. I'm wrapped up in you, in everything you say and do. Like a melody I can't forget, you are the sweetest feeling yet. I'm wrapped up in you, a love so deep and pure and true. Through every season, every tide, I want you always by my side. Listen and know, some people search the world around for a love that can't be found, but Jah blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. No, 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 no distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the only home I know. Hey, hey, hey. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. Every chapter, every page shows a love that won't fade away. Like a rhythm in the night, your love makes everything feel right. Every beat inside my soul says your love has made me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always be wrapped around me. I'm wrapped up in you, the greatest love I ever knew. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. I'm wrapped up in you, a feeling forever pure and true. To every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my heart is wrapped in you. Some feelings come and go, but true love becomes a part of your soul.